Are you struggling to retain your job in the medical field? It's a question that many professionals are grappling with in this day and age. The medical landscape is evolving at an unprecedented rate, and with it, the dynamics of job retention. It's become a high-stakes game of adaptability, continuous learning, and resilience. In today's world, it's not just about securing a position in the medical field, it's about holding on to it. From the rise of advanced technologies to shifting patient needs, the medical industry is in a state of constant flux. This whirlwind of change has made job retention an uphill battle for even the most seasoned professionals. Yet, amidst these challenges, it's crucial to remember that every problem presents an opportunity. The key to retaining your job lies in understanding these challenges and equipping yourself with the right strategies. So, buckle up as we delve into this complex issue. But fear not, we have strategies that can help you keep your job secure. The first key strategy is continuous learning and development. In the fast-paced world of medicine, the only constant is change. Every day, new discoveries are made, new treatments are developed, and new diseases are identified. To stay at the forefront of this ever-evolving field, continuous learning and development are absolutely essential. Imagine for a moment a doctor who graduated from medical school 20 years ago and hasn't updated his knowledge since. Would you feel comfortable entrusting your health to him? Probably not. In the same way, employers in the medical field are looking for professionals who are committed to staying updated with the latest advancements and are willing to constantly improve their skills. Staying up to date doesn't just mean reading the latest research papers or attending seminars, though that's a good start. It also means acquiring new skills, such as learning how to use the latest medical equipment or mastering a new surgical technique. It's about expanding your knowledge base and becoming a more versatile and competent medical professional. Let's look at an example. Consider the rise of telemedicine during the global pandemic. Doctors who were quick to adapt to this new mode of consultation were able to continue serving their patients effectively, while those who resisted change found themselves struggling. Continuous learning and development can also increase job security. In an industry where budget cuts and layoffs are all too common, those with a wider range of skills are often the last to be let go. Furthermore, by showing your commitment to learning and growth, you demonstrate to your employer that you are a valuable asset to the team, someone who takes their profession seriously and is dedicated to providing the best possible care to patients. So, how do you engage in continuous learning and development? It can be as simple as taking an online course, attending a workshop, or even reading a medical journal in your spare time. The key is to make it a habit, a part of your daily routine. Remember, in the world of medicine, the learning never stops. The second strategy to consider is networking and building strong relationships. In the dynamic field of medicine, networking takes on a crucial role. It's not just about meeting new people. It's about fostering relationships that open doors to opportunities, collaborations, and knowledge exchange. The medical profession thrives on shared expertise, and this is where networking shines. Imagine a scenario where you're working on a puzzling case. Wouldn't it be reassuring to know you have a network of professionals who you can turn to for advice and insights? This is the power of networking. It gives you access to a wealth of knowledge, experiences, and perspectives that can help you navigate your career effectively. Building relationships with colleagues and superiors can also be instrumental in your professional journey. A strong bond with your team not only makes the workplace more enjoyable, but it also fosters collaboration, mutual respect, and understanding. Your superiors, on the other hand, can provide guidance and mentorship, helping you hone your skills and advance in your career. Let's not forget about community outreach programs. Participating in these initiatives can help you connect with a broader network outside your immediate professional circle. These programs allow you to expand your horizons, engage with diverse groups, and contribute positively to society. For instance, volunteering at a local health fair might introduce you to public health professionals, educators, and community leaders, providing a broader perspective on healthcare delivery. Remember, networking isn't just about taking, it's about giving as well. Share your knowledge, lend a helping hand, offer words of encouragement. These gestures can strengthen your relationships and establish you as a valuable member of your network. So attend that medical conference, join professional organizations, participate in online forums, and engage in community outreach. Your network is a resource that can help you grow both personally and professionally. In the world of medicine, connections matter. Your ability to build and maintain relationships can have a significant impact on your career trajectory. It's an investment in your future, one that can yield immense benefits in the long run. Your network is your net worth in the medical field. Our third strategy revolves around work ethics and professionalism. In the medical field, these two elements are not just important, they are crucial. They form the backbone of your career, defining how you interact with your colleagues, patients, and indeed, the overall healthcare system. Let's start with commitment. A strong work ethic is characterized by a sense of dedication to your profession. This is not just about getting to work on time or meeting deadlines, it's about going the extra mile. Think of the surgeon who stays late to reassure a concerned patient, or the nurse who takes the time to explain a procedure in layman's terms. These individuals are demonstrating a level of commitment that elevates their professionalism and sets them apart. Punctuality is another key element of professionalism. It's about respect for others' time and an understanding of the ripple effect that tardiness can have in a medical setting. If you're late for a shift, surgeries could be delayed, patients' treatments could be postponed, and your colleagues may have to cover for you. Punctuality is a simple but effective way to show respect for your profession and the people who depend on you. Respecting colleagues and patients is also central to maintaining professionalism. This means valuing the contributions of every team member, from the janitorial staff to the head of surgery. It also means treating patients with dignity, empathy, and understanding regardless of their circumstances. Remember, everyone has a role to play in the healthcare journey, and every role deserves respect. Finally, adhering to medical ethics is fundamental to professionalism. These are the principles that guide your actions and decisions. They include beneficence, doing good for the patient, non-maleficence, doing no harm, autonomy, respecting the patient's rights and decisions, and justice, treating all patients fairly and equally. When you uphold these principles, you demonstrate a high level of professionalism that can set you apart. In conclusion, your work ethics and professionalism are your compass in the medical field. They guide your actions, shape your relationships, and ultimately impact your career trajectory. Your professionalism can be your lifeline in the medical field. The fourth strategy is developing emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence, often abbreviated as EI or EQ, is the ability to understand, use, and manage your own emotions in a positive way to relieve stress, communicate effectively, empathize with others, overcome challenges, and diffuse conflict. In the medical field, emotional intelligence is paramount. It's not just about diagnosing diseases and prescribing treatments, it's about understanding patients' emotions, fears, and anxieties. It's about empathizing with them, comforting them, and making them feel understood. This not only helps in building a strong rapport with patients, but also contributes to their overall healing process. Moreover, emotional intelligence can play a significant role in managing stress. The medical profession is often associated with high levels of stress due to long working hours, dealing with critical cases, and the constant need to stay updated with medical advancements. By recognizing your own emotional responses to stress and developing coping strategies, you can maintain your mental health and continue to perform at your best. Working in a team is another aspect where emotional intelligence is crucial. A hospital or a clinic is like a well-oiled machine, with each part playing a significant role. As a medical professional, you need to work harmoniously with your colleagues, understand their perspectives, and manage conflicts effectively. Emotional intelligence aids in building strong professional relationships, fostering a supportive work environment, and ultimately, delivering the best patient care. Emotional intelligence can also increase your job security. Employers value medical professionals who are not only technically proficient, but also have the ability to handle emotional nuances. They look for individuals who can connect with patients, manage stress, and work well in a team. Developing emotional intelligence can make you an indispensable part of your organization. Let's take an example. Consider a surgeon who not only excels in performing surgeries, but also takes time to understand his patient's anxieties, works well with his team, and manages his stress effectively. Not only does he provide excellent medical care, but he also contributes to a positive work environment. He becomes an asset to his organization. Emotional intelligence can be a game changer in your medical career. To summarize, retaining your job in the medical field is not as daunting as it may seem. It's all about adopting certain strategies and weaving them into your professional life. Let's take a moment to recap. Firstly, continuous learning and development. In a field as dynamic as medicine, staying updated with the latest advancements is crucial. It's not just about retaining your job, but also about providing the best care to your patients. Secondly, networking and relationship building. Remember, your network is your net worth. It opens doors to opportunities that you may not have even known existed. Thirdly, work ethics and professionalism. The importance of these values in the medical field cannot be overstated. They are the bedrock of your career. Lastly, emotional intelligence. Being able to manage your emotions and understand those of others can make a world of difference in your interactions with patients and colleagues alike. Implement these strategies and you will not only retain your job, but also excel in your medical career.